Hey guys, so I'm back with my computer and today we will upgrade our existing chatbot program. So hope you liked my previous video where we created that chatbot AI program. So today it is time to upgrade that. Today we will add some more functionalities to it. So simply open your Visual Studio Code. So here I am in my Visual Studio Code right now. So what I will do is we will add some functionalities like shutdown, opening camera, then we will add functionalities like opening Notepad and something. So we will add those functionalities, along with we will add a functionality that user will be able to choose which voice to choose, male or female. So we will add those functionalities right now. So first what we will do is I will import subprocess. So I will import the subprocess module. Then I will add some commands in here. So what I will do is I will add elif. Let's say first of all let us add a command to open Notepad. So elif Notepad or open Notepad, or simply keep Notepad in command. So if elif Notepad in command, then our program should speak opening Notepad and then it should open the Notepad. So we will use subprocess.run. This run is a method in this subprocess module which will help us to run cmd commands in Python. Okay, so we will use this Notepad which will open the Notepad. Now we should be able to open Notepad. Then I will add a functionality to open camera. So open camera, if this is found in the command. Okay, so if open camera is the command, then we should be able to open the camera. So opening camera, or it should say okay, and then it should say I can see you through this. To make it more interesting, it should say that. And here we should be running subprocess.run, and the exact command to run the camera is start Microsoft dot windows dot camera and this colon, and we will set the shell equals to true currently. So here what we are doing is we are executing this command start Microsoft.windows.camera and shell is equals to true. And here we had this code which I commented out. So web browser.open, I commented this out because whenever we run this web browser.open, every time when our program is not able to understand what we are saying, it simply opens the web browser again and again. So we don't want that to happen. So every time if there is some pronunciation errors or something, we get the web browser opened. So we will deal with that later, but currently let us add these two functionalities and we will add more functionalities later on. But let me show you how to add shutdown and all those functionalities. So elif shutdown, okay, so elif the shutdown, or we will add goodbye in command. So in command, then it should speak shutting down, and it should also speak you will be logged out in a minute. So it should speak that as well. And then we should use subprocess.call, and here, or sorry, not call, subprocess.run, and here what we will do is we will run that command which was shutdown. So the command to shut our computer down is /s. For restart, okay, so let me add comments here. So to shut down, we should use this. Then to restart, we should use /r here, and to log out we should use this. But I will not run this because whenever I try to run this shutdown and goodbye, if I will keep this on logout, my OBS which is a screen recorder, and VS Code will shut down immediately, and that's why I will not be able to record the video, and that's why I will not run this here. But currently you can try this on your own, so let me comment this out. So I will not be running this, I am not going to run this, but you can do that on your own. So with that, we should be able to open a camera and we should be able to open Notepad. So let us try that. So let me run the code.
Hi, I am Zira. I am your personal assistant.
Hey, please open camera.
Okay. I can see you through this.
So as you can see, my camera is now open, and okay, so my camera is now open, and with using our chatbot, we opened this camera.
I can't understand that.
So our chatbot is still running in the background. So let me stop this program. And here what we can do is now we can try to open our notepad. So we opened our camera. Now
Hi,
let us try.
I am Zira. I am your personal assistant.
Open notepad.
Opening Notepad.
So as you can see, we have opened our notepad. So we tried opening camera, we tried opening notepad. So we can do a lot of things with this program. So we will try those things. You can try opening different programs, so you can try that as well. But currently I think that is sufficient. These are sufficient commands for the computer. So we can open something, we can do mathematical stuff, we can do theoretical stuff, we can ask for something, then we can do a lot of things. Okay, so let us try to add the functionality where user will be able to choose which voice should be used. Okay, so let us add that functionality. So here, as you can see, we are using 1 for female voice and 0 for male voice. Okay, so what we will do is here I will ask the user. Okay, so before setting the property, what I will do is I will ask the user. So voice or select voice is equal to input, where I will ask the user, so select voice male or female. And what we will do is if, okay, so we will check that if select voice dot lower, okay, we will change this to lower, and then we will say is equal to if the select voice is equal to male, then we will what we will do is we will set select voice, or what we can do is then we can run this select voice, and then the voice should be 0 here, and else, or yep, else what we should do is else we should set engine dot set property voice. So we will set the voice property, and the value will be voices 1.id. So we will do this. So if we will check that if our select voice is male, then we will select the male voice, and if it is not, then we will select the female voice. So here let me add a comment, voice selection. Okay, so here we will add voice selection. So here we are selecting a voice right now. Then we will also select the name. So wherever we will find this Zira, instead of Zira we will use the name. Okay, so what we will do is let me change this to name. And where do we get this name from? So we will get this name. Okay, so I am name. So here we will get the name from the voice. Okay, so where we are setting voice, if the voice is male, okay, so if the voice here, so here as you can see we have added this voice selection. So if the voice is male, we will also create a name variable, and we will set this to David, because that's the voice which is installed in my computer, and else we will set this to Zira. So I think that should probably work. To open your file explorer, going to this volume D, here you will find the folder where we have this program, and here you can simply type for cmd. So what I have done is I have opened the location where my main.py is located, where I have this program, where I have this AI program, and here I have simply used cmd. Here I have wrote cmd and I pressed enter. So I have opened my project in this command prompt. And why I have done that? Because here we have to select for the voice and all those things. So here we have input, so we have to write something, and our integrated terminal or integrated output window, the code runner, does not support this voice selection, or basically does not support to write any values. We cannot write the values to that, we can only read values. Okay, so it is only read only based terminal, you can say. So here what we will use is, we will use python main.py. so now as you can see, it will ask us that select voice. Okay, so it is now asking me to select a voice, so let me maximize it. So as you can see, it is asking me select voice, so male or female. So now let me choose the male voice.
Hi, I am Name. I am your personal assistant.
So that is the problem. So why that happened, and the reason behind that is, here I haven't used f, because this is an f string, so I haven't used this f here, so that's why the problem was there. So now let me open this program in command prompt again. So here I will go to my drives in my project, and here I will write cmd and I will open that. And here now let me run this program again. So python main.py. So select voice, this time I will choose male again.
Hi, I am David. I am your personal assistant.
What is Python programming?
I can't understand that.
Notepad.
Opening Notepad.
Circumference of circle, that's what
C equals 2 pi a.
So as you can, what is a tiger?
1 noun, a fierce or audacious person. 2 noun, large feline of forests in most of Asia having a tawny coat with black stripes, endangered.
What is the synonym of translate?
Concerning in regarding.
Exit.
Exiting program. Thank you for using me.
Okay, so as you can see, our program is working perfectly. Here by mistake I said square. Okay, so that was a silly question, because there is no circumference to the square. Circumference is only there for the circles, so that was not the question, and that's why it said data not available. But except that, I think our program is answering the 90% of all those questions. So if, as you can see now, if we said the voice is male, then the assistant is now changed to David. And if now we will select, let's say, let me clear this terminal, and now if I will run the program again, and here now let me select female. So as you can see, I have selected female, and then when I press enter, our program will be a female voice, so it will be Zira.
Hi, I am Zira. I am your personal assistant.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Hello, human.
What is the square of 23?
529.
Under root of 529.
I can't understand that.
Square root of 529.
23.
Weather forecast in Maharashtra.
Between 26 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Rain, early morning to mid-afternoon, clear, all day.
Java programming Wikipedia.
Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. It is a general-purpose programming language intended to let programmers write once, run anywhere, WORA, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation.
What is electromagnetism?
1 noun, magnetism produced by an electric current. 2 noun, the branch of physics concerned with electromagnetic phenomena.
What is 12 plus 34 minus 15?
31.
What is 23 multiplied by 529?
12,167.
Table of 5.
I can't understand that.
What is x plus y is equal to 5? X minus y is equal to 3.
I can't understand that.
Open camera.
Okay, I can see you through this.
Open Notepad.
Opening Notepad.
Create file.
Name of the file, without extension.
Laptop.
Content of the file.
Here I have created this awesome chatbot which is having the accuracy of 90%. It is answering 90% of the questions, and I have created this on this Dell laptop which I currently have.
File created successfully.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Exit.
Exiting program. Thank you for using me.
So as you can see, our program was working perfectly. I think that is awesome. So we have this program up to now. So I think the accuracy is above 90%, you can say. So the accuracy is definitely very good. So now let us check that the file is created or not. So as you can see, we have laptop.txt file here, and here as you can see we have all that text this. So here as you can see here I have created this awesome chatbot which is having the accuracy of 90%. It is answering 90% of the questions, and I have created it on this Dell laptop which I currently have. So everything is working perfectly. So now let us add the functionality to open YouTube as well. So how we will do that? So for that I will import the it was 𝗣𝗆𝘆𝗶𝗴𝗺 so I will import 𝗣𝗆𝗆𝗺 and to use this 𝗣𝗆𝗆𝗺 we need to install it first. So we will open cmd, and here I will write the command. So here I will use pip install 𝗣𝗆𝗆𝗺. So this 𝗣𝗆𝗆𝗺 is another Python module which is very excellent, which gives us some features like opening YouTube videos. So it gives us a lot of features. So we will use this package. It gives us features like sending messages through WhatsApp. So you can do that as well. So here it is installing everything. So we will wait until this process is finished. So as you can see, we have successfully installed all those packages. Now let me clear this terminal and exit it. Now here we have 𝗣𝗆𝗆𝗺 installed on our computer. So now let us use it. So in our commands section, what I will do is I will add another command. So elif play on YouTube. So elif play on YouTube is found in the command. So elif play on YouTube is in the command. Then we will use a variable, we'll create a variable title and we'll listen to it. So first what we will do is we will speak, we'll make our computer speak. What is the title? What is the title? Then it will listen and we will speak whatever the title is. And then what we will do is we will take that title and we will search on to the YouTube. So we'll use 𝗣𝗆𝗆𝗺 dot, I think it was play on YT, I think. So play on YT. So we have play on YT and the topic is title. And then we will speak opening or searching for the title on YouTube. This Y should be capital and this T should be capital as well. And let us add F here. So that's the F string now. Now save it, and now we should be able to play something on YouTube. So now let us try to run it. Okay, so we have to run it using cmd. I forgot that. So let us open cmd. So in my here in my D drive I have this project where I will use cmd, and now we have cmd opened. Now let us run this program. So python main.py. So select voice. I will go with let's say male voice now.
Hi, I am David. I am your personal assistant.
Hey David, please can you please play on YouTube?
What is the title?
Python programming.
Searching for Python programming on YouTube.
Complete Python course
As
with
you can
Notepad
see,
course.
we have started to play Code with Harry's video. So that's excellent. Our program is now working perfectly. So what our program is doing here is whenever we use this 𝗣𝗆𝗆𝗺𝗺.play on YouTube, this play on YouTube, as you can see, plays a video. It finds for the title which we have provided. So it searches for that title and then it plays the video. So here we are playing Code with Harry's this video, Python tutorial for beginners. So Code with Harry is the excellent YouTuber. I follow him. I am a big fan of Code with Harry. So you can check his channel as well. So that is something that we can do. So that is something we can do with this 𝗣𝗆𝗆𝗺𝗆𝗺.play on YouTube. So we have learned how to play something, how to play a video on the YouTube. Then what we will do is we will use another elif check, and here what we will do is we will try to add some more functionalities. So 𝗣𝗆𝗆𝗺𝗆𝗺 dot, so we have these functionalities: search, we have send HMail, so that means HTML embedded mail. Then we have send mail, send WhatsApp message, send WhatsApp message instant, send WhatsApp message to group, send WhatsApp image, show history, shut down system, take screenshot, text to handwriting. So I don't know what this take screenshot does, so let us check this. So now in this elif block I will use a command like screenshot or take screenshot in command. So if take screenshot in the command, then it should take the screenshot, and we should use the speak method, and we should write here like taking screenshot. Okay, so or capturing screenshot, and now we will take the screenshot here. So now let us test this code again. So here let me clear this and let me run it again. Voice I will go with female voice.
Hi, I am Zira. I am your personal assistant.
Take screenshot.
Capturing screen thought.
Yep, so it took the screenshot, and that is perfect. I think that is one more.
No data available.
What is under root of 89?
I can't understand that.
What is square root of 89?
9.4339811320660381113206640716922633415121320662981448914489.
That was hilarious. Okay, so now I think everything is working fine except this thing. So here, whenever we don't get anything, it says I can't get that. So where is it? So here in my listen function we get I can't get that. So after this I can't get that, we should be able to add something. So we should be adding a text again like please try again. Okay, so please try again, and this was something which we should add. And in the screenshot I noticed that here I said screen thought, so it should be screenshot. Save it, and I think these features excellent. These features are working properly, so you can add more features like that. You can add how to send email and all those things. So I give you the task that you should add and implement sending emails with Python video. You can find that video and in my Python programming playlist, and you can attach that. So you can take that video and you can watch it, and then you can learn how to send emails, and then you have to implement the same code in this chatbot. So whenever I say send email, our chatbot should be able to send emails. So that should happen. So this is our chatbot up to this point. I will upload the code of this chatbot on the GitHub repository, so you can find the code of this chatbot on that repository. So you can do that. So you can find the link of that GitHub repository in the description. You can find all the code there, and I will also upload some cool projects that I will create onwards on that GitHub repository. So you will be finding all this code on that repository. So if there is some problem in your code, then you can compare your code to my code. So this was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.